Hi, we're Joanna and James. We hope you're well. We're in the very lovely village of Grantchester, where the TV series is filmed. This is the first vlog we've managed to get around to this year. And we'll tell you why.
But first, let's take a wander amongst the late spring, early summer beauty of Grantchester Meadows. This is one of our favourite walks to do, taking us gently through all this verdant countryside and into the city of Cambridge. Some of you who know us personally will know that we're both actors.
We run our own theatre company, and for several years now we've been uploading full films and plays on our other YouTube channel, Summer Light Theatre, as resources for students and theatre lovers. James also specialises in voiceover.
And Joanna in stage adaptations and writing. We've been working on a play about the celebrated artist, Edvard Munch. We're not producing it, but we've been in rehearsals with a team of producers.
Perhaps it will be a tour or a film. It's step by step, but we're excited to share how it unfolds here from time to time. Grantchester Meadows, south of Cambridge and on the west bank of the River Cam, are owned by King's College and managed by Cambridge Past, Present and Future, protecting them from development.
This beautiful area is popular with picnickers and dog walkers, and people have swum here for over 500 years, including Virginia Woolf and Rupert Brooke.
We always love to hear from you in the comments, so please let us know below where you'd like us to wander to next. If you'd like to see more on Cambridge itself, we have another vlog which we'll link.
Thanks so much for coming along with us. Do check out our theatre channel if you fancy.